So, you seem to be worried, huh?
So, dude, this bike normally stays in my drawing room.
Oh, I figured it out. I've seen some pictures.
Worst comes the worst, I would maximum take it out once a year.
Okay,
It used to start in one kick every time.
okay,
But you know what is really worrying me?
okay.
Karan wants to take it out.
Aha.
More than him, I'm worried about the bike.
Okay,
Just make sure the bike is perfect.
okay. It seems to be pretty fine. Well, I think everything is good. Let's just start the motorcycle and let's see how far it is. Wow. Just move your hand. Move your hand. Move your hand. Should be fine. It should be fine.
Guys, today I want to talk to you about something very important. When you have the kind of vintage vehicles that I have, the numbers that I have, and the two kids that I have, the day is not far, when one of them is going to come to you and tell you that he wants to ride your bike and take it out for a spin. And that's when you really get worried, why this vehicle, for example. This is a 350cc Java twin cylinder, twin port Java 35404 from 1967. The vintage is pretty symbolic. It's about 7 years prior to when I was born. And my son is going to want to take this bike out now. So I have finally agreed because I also believe that this is a kind of a rite of passage for him. I believe they should learn how these old beauties perform. Having said that, the apple of my eye is going to go out today. So Karan, why don't you join me? Be careful.
Thank you.
I love her probably more than I love you. So you know what I decided? I decided to give this young man the chance of starting the 354 and pulling it out of the house. Be careful, I don't want scratches on the bike. We have decided to prime the motorcycle since it hasn't been started for a long time. It's all going to be done by Karan. I'm worried now. He's gone in to wear his gear, his helmet, and he's going to come back. And he wants to take the bike out for a ride. God help us all. Okay, Karan, I'm now going to give you detailed instructions. Put the key in. Turn the petrol tap on. Move the kick lever. And you've got one shot to make this work. Fire. Why didn't you start from me? बाप बाप होता है बे. And he manages it. And boys, the 354 is off for its first round in Gurgaon. Karan is still not back. I hope my baby is fine. And I'm not talking about Karan here. Guys, if you share my love for two-stroke vehicles and your vintage tribe, make sure you join my WhatsApp community for Tripping with Shanks. The link is given in the description below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my videos on happinessperkm. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon because that will make sure that you are notified of all videos by us at all times. Happy tripping, guys.